Hi, Larry Gaines, PowerCycleTrading.com. Well, in this video, I want to talk a little bit about seasonality and the advantages and benefits you get from, combining seasonal trends to your trading. Now, when we talk about seasonality, it's simply a market's tendency to move in the same direction each year in response to annually reoccurring fundamental factors that affect the market to one degree or another in more or less a timely manner. So you'll see this kind of seasonality effects affecting all different types of market sectors. It could be agricultural sectors, oil, and it even affects the other commodities and then just the general indexes as well. So I want to show you a seasonality chart and then a way to incorporate this into your trading. So this is a seasonality continuation chart for the NASDAQ 100. So when you look at this is a seasonality patterns. These lines represent a pattern of 5 years of data, and then here's 15 years and 20. So when you look at this is showing a seasonal trend that the markets have a tendency for trending higher on the NASDAQ 100, starting around in July 1st, but July 10th through July 20th. So right where these arrows, see right here, this arrow here, so this is right where we are about now, July 10th, and has a potential for a strong seasonal trend up into around July 20th. So you can see both time frames. This is going back 5 years here, and then back 20 years. Now, then you either, kind of get a churn sideways and a pullback when you get into that 20th, so you can get a pullback, and then again, you get another pretty strong seasonal trend back up from August around the 23rd into September. So these are ways that you can then establish and kind of put together a trading plan. So let's take a look at currently what we're seeing as far as the NASDAQ 100. We can use the QQQ to take a look at the chart. Now here's a daily chart of the QQQ, the NASDAQ 100 ETF. And you can see that I like to look at momentum for price direction. So you can see this, we had a really powerful trend back here in June. You can see momentum shifting up here, really strong trend up. And then we topped out right here, right about 191, pulled back into this, kind of the 21 period moving average, and then you can see that cycle 1 and 2 positive momentum again. Now we break and we make a new high. Now there's potential then the next target to targeting on using Fibonacci is about to this 1272 up to 197, but I'm targeting right here 195. There's a lot of option activity, huge amount of option activity right here at the 195 strike here for the monthly expiration, which is next week. So this is a really good target if you want to trade. So by understanding seasonality and the potential to have that as your kind of the wind to your back, and then structuring a trade, we could do a really low risk trade targeting 195 using a butterfly or a lot of different types of strategies. So the combination of seasonality plus momentum in your charts can make a huge difference and give you a great trading advantage. So I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you on my next video update.